Example 9 in Stat 101, Examples Class 5, the Poisson distribution, text messages. The Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution that applies to occurrences of some event over a specified interval, where our random variable is the number of occurrences of the event in that interval. So the interval could be time, distance, area, volume, or some similar unit. The random variable x is the number of occurrences over an event over some interval. For a Poisson random variable, only one parameter is required. The parameter required is lambda, which is the rate of occurrences of the event over a specified interval. One parameter, lambda. Rate of occurrences of the event over a specified interval. Just recapping those requirements for a Poisson distribution, the occurrences should be one, random. The occurrences must be independent of each other, and the occurrences cannot happen simultaneously. The random occurrences independent of each other, and the occurrences equally spaced over the interval being used. The question for Poisson: on a typical day during term time you receive 18 text messages. What is the expected number of messages per week? A week being 7 days. Lambda is our rate of occurrences. Lambda per day is 18 text messages per day. So the expected number of messages per week would be 18 times 7. So lambda in this case is 126. So lambda per week, 126 text messages. What is the probability of receiving more than 150 messages in the next week? More than 150. So if x is our discrete random variable, our Poisson random variable, the probability that x is more than 150. We'll be using Excel, remembering that Excel will not give us more than directly, so the complement is required. The x is our random variable number of messages over a week. Probability that x is greater than 150 will be 1 subtract the probability of the complement. The complement in this case being x is less than or equal to 150. And Excel will give us this complement. Going into Excel, we'll be using the Poisson function. Poisson function, which will be in the statistical section. Using the function from the statistical section, alphabetically listed as usual, scrolling down to find the P, the Poisson function, clicking OK, x, remember, being 150. The mean is our value of lambda, which in this case was 126, and cumulative we want up to and including 150, so cumulative will be true. Typing in true or typing in 1 will give us the result we require. So one take away that probability is 0.017 to 3 decimal places. So probability of receiving more than 150 messages in the next week, 1, take away the Poisson function, remembering we need to enter the value of x, which was 150, the value of lambda, which was 126, and cumulative being true, gave us the result 0.017 to 3 decimal places. And that's the end of example 9.